Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell something on Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into your home feed, from which if you wish to sell any product on the marketplace, just tap on the marketplace icon, which looks like a house, at the top section. From here, you will be able to find the sell button. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can choose from various different items that you wish to sell. You can choose from items, vehicles, as well as properties. After choosing the appropriate category, you will be asked to add the photos, as well as the title, and set up your price. Now, underneath categories, you can further define what kind of vehicle it is, and then enter your location within the location drop-down menu. Finally, enter the vehicle description in details within the description box, and you may also add any tags to help drive traffic into your ad within the tags box. Now, underneath you will find the offer delivery option, and you can turn this on if you would like to offer delivery services to the purchaser of your product. After you have filled up all of these information, you can tap on the next button and finalize your ad. And you may also have the option to invest in boosting your ad from the next steps. And there you have it. That is how you can set up and sell your product on the Facebook Marketplace. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.